everyone, welcome back to the channel. Imagine this. You're paralyzed, can't move your arms or legs, but with just your thoughts, you control a computer, play video games, send messages, or even speak again.
Sounds like science fiction?
Well, in 2026, it's becoming reality thanks to brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. And leading the charge is Neuralink, Elon Musk's company.
And today, we're diving deep into the latest updates on BCIs, especially Neuralink. We'll cover how it works, real patient stories, mind-blowing breakthroughs, ethical questions, and what's coming next. If you're into futuristic tech that could change lives, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Let's jump in. First, let's break it down simply.
A brain-computer interface is technology that connects your brain directly to a computer or device.
It reads electrical signals from your neurons, the cells in your brain that control thoughts, movements, and speech, and turns those signals into actions.
There are different types, non-invasive ones like EEG caps on your head, but the most powerful are implanted ones, like Neuralinks. Neuralink's device, called the Link or N1 implant, is a tiny coin-sized chip with super thin threads, thousands of electrodes that go into your brain. It's wireless, charges like your phone, and the surgery is done by a robot for precision. The goal right now? Help people with serious conditions like paralysis from spinal injuries, ALS, Lou Gehrig's disease, or stroke.
But Elon Musk talks about bigger things. One day, merging human brains with AI to keep up with super intelligent machines.
Here's how it actually happens. When you think about moving a cursor or saying a word, specific areas in your brain light up with electrical activity. The implant picks up those signals, sends them wirelessly to an app on your phone or computer, and AI decodes them super fast. In early trials, patients have used it to move a mouse cursor and click, play games like Civilization 6, or chess-type messages, control robotic arms, no hand movements needed, just pure thought. And it's getting faster and more accurate with every software update.
As of early 2026, Neuralink has reached a huge milestone. 21 people worldwide have the implant. They call them Neuralnauts.
That's up from just a handful in 2024. No serious safety issues have been reported so far, which is great news. The company is expanding trials in places like the US, UK, and Canada.
Big plans for 2026.
Start high-volume production of the devices.
Move to almost fully automated robotic surgery. No need to remove the brain's protective layer dura anymore, making it safer and faster. Aim for thousands more implants in the coming years. They're also launching new studies, like the voice trial, which reads signals from speech areas in the brain to restore natural-sounding voice for people who can't speak.
Due to ALS or stroke. Goal, conversational speed of up to 140 words per minute. And there's Blindsight, a version to restore vision by stimulating the visual cortex directly, even for people born blind. First human tests could start in 2026, starting with low-res vision that improves over time. Let's talk about the people making this happen. The first Neuralnaut, Noland Arbaugh, got the implant years ago after a diving accident left him quadriplegic. He can now play games, browse the internet, design things in CAD software, and live more independently, all with his mind.
Other participants, one with ALS, became the first non-verbal person to get it and started typing with thoughts. In the UK, Sebastian Gomez Pena, paralyzed from the neck down, says it's already transforming his life. Patients describe it as mind-blowing. One said no other tech comes close.
These stories show BCIs aren't just demos. They're giving real autonomy back to people who lost it. Of course, this tech raises huge questions. Is it safe long-term? What about privacy? Could someone hack your thoughts? Neuralink says security is a top priority, but experts worry.
Then there's the transhumanism side. Elon talks about healthy people getting implants for superhuman abilities, like faster thinking or direct AI connection.
Just upgrade the other two businesses.
We also have to ask, who gets access first? Will it widen inequality?
These debates are heating up as the tech gets closer to reality.
Looking ahead, BCIs could cure more than paralysis. Maybe restore sight, treat depression, or let us communicate telepathically. Neuralink wants to unlock human potential beyond medicine.
But we're still early. Challenges remain. Better electrodes, longer battery life, more channels for precision.
Other companies like Synchron and Precision Neuroscience are pushing too, so competition is fierce.
One thing's clear, in 2026, brain-computer interfaces are no longer just sci-fi. They're here, helping real people and evolving fast.
What blows your mind most about this? Controlling tech with thoughts, the ethics, or the potential to live to 150 with brain upgrades? Love this video. Great content. Awesome. More, please. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read them all.
If you enjoyed this, smash that like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep dives into AI, robots, and future tech. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Stay curious.